In this video, I'm going to show you how to save in Audiotool. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to, of course, open up your project. You want to go to the top left, click on Project, and from here, click on Save. Now, when you do this, you have to give your project a name. Of course, you want to save it as something. I'm going to name this one Tutorial, like that. Then you can give it a cover if you want to, completely up to you. You can upload it over here. I'm just going to leave it blank. The genre, over here, you can change it. I'm going to go from newbie, and I'm actually going to make it something else here. For example, I'm just going to do, let's just do some rock. There we go. And then here you can do tags. I'm just going to type in rock. It's completely up to you, whatever you do here. And then the description can also be whatever. I'm just going to put in tutorial right now. And then you have the license. So of course you have a bunch of different ones. You can go ahead and read all about these and select the one that's the most relevant. And then you can allow others to remix or to download. I'm not going to do this. I'm just going to click on the save button over here. It's going to start saving, and there we go. You've actually saved it, your project, inside Audiotool. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.